Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Samsung Food mobile app is, how it works, and whether it's a helpful tool for meal planning, recipe discovery, and smart kitchen integration. Samsung Food is a free app available on both iOS and Android that offers over 160,000 recipes. It uses AI to personalize meal suggestions, create shopping lists, and connect with Samsung smart appliances like the Bespoke Family Hub refrigerator and compatible ovens. Users can save recipes, filter by dietary preferences, and plan weekly meals within the app. There is a premium subscription called Samsung Food Plus that unlocks extra features including AI-guided recipes with step-by-step instructions, personalized meal plans, pantry management to reduce food waste, and advanced nutrition tracking. The subscription costs $6.99 per month or $59.99 annually and offers a 7-day free trial. Users appreciate the app's large recipe database, smart appliance integration, and easy-to-use interface. However, some mention the subscription price as a downside along with occasional bugs and ads in the free version. Samsung Food is especially useful for those who own Samsung appliances and want a modern, AI-driven way to manage cooking and meal prep. The free version is robust enough for everyday use, while the premium plan adds valuable extra tools. If you have questions or notice anything missing, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for email.